Hi, here in this video I'm going to show you a new feature, how to export and import product cost from Magento to Odoo and from Odoo to Magento. So first of all, let's go to Magento. Here we are on our product. Let's go to advanced pricing, and here we can see product cost field. Let's set a new value, $300. Click on done and save, and go back to Odoo. You can see already in my product mapping table. So let's update our product. Let's click on import product, and now we can just update our product page in Odoo. And as you can see, the value was also updated, $300. So let's do the same in the other direction. Let's set the value in Odoo. Click on save, $100. Let's check that the job was created and successfully done, and update our product page in Magento. Let's go to advanced pricing, and here we see that the value was successfully updated. I need to notice that this feature works the same as for general products and for products with variance. So this is how it works.